Ever asked yourself, what are the 10 skills every man must master? We have the answers for you. In our fast-paced world, mastering certain skills can make all the difference. It's not just about being competent, it's about excelling and making your mark. From communication to self-care, these skills are essential for every man who wants to thrive and navigate life with confidence and ease. So, buckle up and get ready to level up your skill set. Skill number 1, communication. It's much more than just talking. Imagine a world where everyone speaks but no one listens. That's chaos, right? Communication is a two-way street, and active listening is just as important as speaking. It's about understanding others, grasping their perspectives, and responding appropriately. Think about the last time you had a meaningful conversation. It felt good, didn't it? That's because true communication fosters connection and understanding. It bridges gaps, resolves conflicts, and builds stronger relationships. But how do you communicate effectively? Start by expressing your thoughts and feelings clearly and directly. Be respectful, maintain eye contact, and most importantly, listen. Don't just wait for your turn to speak. Listen to understand. That's active listening. Communication isn't limited to verbal exchanges. It extends to body language, written words, and even silence. It's about sending and receiving messages effectively, so remember, communication is key in every aspect of life. Moving on to skill number 2, financial literacy. Now, this is more than just being able to balance your checkbook. It's about understanding how money works in the world, how someone manages to earn or make it, how that person manages it, how he or she invests it, and how that person donates it to help others. A key part of financial literacy is budgeting. It's about being able to set realistic financial goals and then making a plan to achieve them. It's about understanding the difference between wants and needs and making smart decisions to ensure you live within your means. Investing, too, is an essential part of financial literacy. It's not just for the wealthy. With the right knowledge, anyone can make their money work for them. It's about understanding the risks and rewards and making informed decisions. Financial literacy, a critical skill to ensure financial stability and growth. Skill number 3, time management. Imagine time as your most precious ally, the one resource you can't earn more of no matter how hard you try. Mastering the art of time management is akin to becoming the conductor of your own life's orchestra, dictating the rhythm and tempo of your daily symphony. It's about prioritizing tasks effectively, understanding that not everything on your to-do list holds the same weight. It's choosing to tackle the most critical tasks first, even when they are the most challenging ones. It's about harnessing the power of saying no when your plate is already full, and recognizing that multitasking might not always be the most efficient route. And remember, time management isn't just about work. It's also about carving out moments for relaxation, for hobbies, for loved ones. This balance is the key to a fulfilling life. Because at the end of the day, time is the one thing you can't get back, so manage it wisely. Skill number 4, cooking. It's not just about survival, it's about independence, creativity, and showing care. Knowing how to prepare meals is crucial. It's not about becoming a gourmet chef overnight, but about understanding the basics, from boiling an egg to making a simple stew. The benefits of cooking at home are numerous. It's healthier as you control what goes in your food. It's economical as it cuts down on expensive takeout meals. And let's not forget, it's deeply satisfying to create a dish from scratch and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Cooking can also be a fun activity. Experimenting with flavors, trying out new recipes, or even hosting a dinner party can bring a lot of joy. It's a skill that grows with practice and time, and it's never too late to start. Cooking, a life skill that nourishes you and the ones you love. Halfway through our list with skill number 5, problem solving. This skill is not just about finding solutions, but about approaching challenges in a systematic, logical way. It's like being a detective, piecing together clues to solve a mystery. In your professional life, problem solving can help you navigate complex projects, streamline processes, and even innovate new products or services. It's about seeing the bigger picture, identifying the root cause, and devising a plan to tackle it head-on. In your personal life, problem solving plays an equally vital role. From resolving conflicts to making important decisions, this skill can help you navigate life's ups and downs with grace and resilience. Whether it's a leaky faucet, a challenging work project, or a relationship snag, problem solving is your toolbox for tackling issues head-on. It's about not just surviving but thriving in the face of adversity. Problem solving, your secret weapon to overcoming life's hurdles. On to skill number 6, emotional intelligence. It's a phrase we hear often, but what does it truly mean? It's about understanding and managing not only our emotions but the emotions of others as well. It's about empathy, about putting ourselves in someone else's shoes, and handling our interpersonal relationships with care and understanding. Imagine being in a tense situation. Maybe it's a disagreement with a friend, or a tough conversation at work. Emotional intelligence is what helps us navigate these moments with grace. It's the ability to recognize the emotional landscape, to understand that everyone involved has feelings that are valid and real. This skill is not just about managing conflict. It's also about building strong, meaningful relationships. With emotional intelligence, we can connect with others on a deeper level, understand their needs and feelings, and respond appropriately. It's a skill that requires practice, but the rewards are worth it. Emotional intelligence, the key to building strong and meaningful relationships. Skill number 7, basic home repair. Picture this: a leaky faucet, a loose doorknob, a creaky floorboard. Sounds familiar, right? But what if you could fix these on your own? It's not about turning everyone into a professional handyman, it's about gaining a sense of independence and resourcefulness. Basic home repair skills can save you a significant amount of money over time. No more waiting for a professional to show up, no more paying for minor repairs that you could handle yourself. But it's not just about the money. There's a certain satisfaction in being able to fix things around your house. It's about standing back, looking at a job well done and thinking, I did that. It's about turning a house into a home and taking responsibility for its upkeep. So, grab that toolkit, learn a few tricks of the trade, and start mastering the art of basic home repair. Basic home repair, a handy skill that saves you time and money. Moving forward to skill number 8, first aid knowledge. Now this isn't just about putting a band-aid on a paper cut. We're talking about the real deal. It's about knowing what to do when someone chokes on a piece of food, or when a friend takes a bad fall on a hiking trail. Understanding basic first aid is more than just a skill, it's a responsibility. It's being able to step up in that crucial moment when every second counts. It's about having the ability to potentially save a life or at least stabilize a situation until professional help arrives. Beyond that, knowing first aid gives you a certain level of confidence in emergency situations. It allows you to stay calm, think clearly, and take decisive action, rather than panicking or feeling helpless. In essence, first aid knowledge is not just a skill to have, but a skill to master. First aid knowledge, a skill that could be a lifesaver. Almost at the end with skill number 9, leadership. Leadership, often misconstrued as a trait for the few, is actually a skill that can be learned and honed. It's not about being the boss, it's about guiding others towards a common goal, making tough decisions, and taking responsibility for both success and failure. In the professional world, leadership skills can propel you to new heights. It's the leaders who innovate, inspire, and make impactful decisions. But leadership isn't confined to the office. It's applicable everywhere. In your home, your community, even in your group of friends. It's about inspiring others, driving change, and creating a positive impact. Remember, leadership isn't about superiority. It's about serving others, understanding their needs, and helping them to grow. It's about empathy, communication, and decision-making. It's about making a difference, not just for yourself, but for others too. Leadership, the skill that empowers you and those around you. Finally, skill number 10, self-care. Let's delve into it. The essence of self-care is prioritizing yourself. It's about understanding that your well-being is fundamental to your ability to thrive in all other facets of life. We often overlook the importance of mental health. Remember, it's as crucial as physical health. It's okay to take a step back, to breathe, to recharge. It's okay to seek help when you're feeling overwhelmed. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle goes beyond hitting the gym or eating right. It's about finding balance. It's about ensuring that your mind, body, and soul are in sync. It's about making time for hobbies that rejuvenate you, for people who uplift you. Remember, it's not selfish to prioritize your needs. It's necessary. You cannot pour from an empty cup. You have to replenish your energy to be able to extend support to others effectively. So, take care of yourself. Self-care, because you cannot pour from an empty cup. And there you have it, the 10 skills every man must master. We've covered everything from clear communication and financial literacy to time management and cooking. We've emphasized the importance of problem-solving, emotional intelligence, basic home repair, first aid knowledge, leadership, and self-care. Each of these skills plays a crucial role in personal development, creating a well-rounded individual. Master these skills, and you'll be well on your way to becoming the best version of yourself. That's it for our rundown of the top 10 skills every man must master. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. We are curious to hear about what other skills you think are essential. Leave a comment below to join the conversation. Remember, every like, share, and subscription helps us create more content like this. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. See you in the next video.